Hey, what's up, guys? So today I'm gonna do the unboxing of the Fire Most Sensitive tablet, the Amazon tablet. It's a little one, not much, not too complicated. Just bought it to give as a gift for one of my uncles. It was decent price, but for Black Friday, it was really cheap actually. He has what I need for him. It has a 7-inch display, Wi-Fi, 8 gigs, quad core front and rear cameras, micro USB, and up to 128 gigs. That's everything he needs. He has never had a tablet. He has never had anything. So pretty much it's gonna be for him his first tablet, and he's gonna learn with it. So it was cheap, but it wasn't because of that. It's just I want him to get used to having a tablet, and if I would have bought him a really expensive tablet, it's dangerous, you know. So, ta-da-dum, ta-dum. Okay, pretty simple. That's it. And that's the tablet right there. Charger. The product information. And the instructions. That's all you fucking need. That's all you really need. I'm sorry. And explains a little bit. The USB and the tablet itself. Wow, it's a pretty nice tablet for the price I pay. Actually, it was not expensive at all, so I'm not gonna complain whatever it is. And it's heavy too. It's a heavy tablet. I guess this must be the on switch. Yes, sir. The Amazon tablet. Fire. They make pretty good tablets. I used to go to my friend's house. His mom had one tablet made by Amazon, and it was pretty decent. You know what I mean? It wasn't bad at all. It comes charged, I guess, 74% battery. And then now it's just time to set it up. English. And then the Wi-Fi. Let me do that, guy. Now it's just updating. They put in the newest software, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna wait for a while. Okay, guys, I'm back with this. So pretty much I had to set it up. Now I'm looking at the tutorial. May you welcome. It says this is the tutorial, this and that. So I got a Fire tablet. That's home. You know, the usual. Usual. All that. We know how a tablet works now, right, guys? I hope. I gotta buy a case, and I feel that glass in this thing is gonna get dirty too easy. That's what I really don't like. And everything else is pretty good. It looks like a really easy tablet to use. And look, this is what it is. Right here. Oh shit. Love that. So pretty much it's the same thing as the other tablet. Settings, I can download apps. It has its own app store. The glass is not as smooth, or maybe my hands are too dry, but I feel it's not smooth and nice like other ones that I will expect. But it's pretty good, for the price I paid. What it was like Black Friday. It was supposed to be $50, and I paid $35 to start as a tablet. It's good, and I don't know how the hell it has my name on it, but I guess it's because I got Amazon Echo in the house, so you just connected everything, and it's pretty good. It's amazing. Oh shit, that's good. I'm gonna have all my Amazon stuff together, so it's a pretty great tablet. I'm not gonna complain. So I give it a pretty good review, 7 stars out of 10, because it's a cheap tablet and it seems like useful for everything. I just gotta try the camera, but it's not it's not light. That's the only problem. It's kind of heavy, and it feels if you drop it, it will break too easy. But overall, for the price, you can't beat that. So thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day.